Installing the application is very straightforward. First of all, visit JustCloud.com/download in your web browser of choice. The download should then commence automatically. It depends on how you have your browser set up. However, the website will recognise your browser and give you on-screen instructions. Basically though, if the download doesn't happen automatically, click the download button. Once the download is completed, simply open the installer file and the installation process will commence. Now we are prompted to enter our account login details. If you are installing the application on a second computer, be sure to log in with the same login details to authenticate the computer to your existing account. Upon entering your login information, the application will then link to your account. Now the application needs to know what you wish to back up, either choosing Backup My Documents or Manual Selection, where you can choose exactly what files you want to be backed up. Upon selecting some files, the installation will complete, and presuming the computer is licensed to backup, your backup will then commence. Please note that if you are installing the application on a second computer, you will need an additional license in order to back it up. This can be purchased through your online control panel. Having now installed the application, you can back up your files, restore already backed up files, and use the sync folder.